On this episode of Travel Dares,
I'm taking Caroline to Nurture by Nature, where we are going to swim with otters.
And I'm here at Ponyland to take Joe on a beautiful horseback ride in the ocean. Come join us on our adventures on this episode of Travel Dares. Welcome to Travel Dares. I'm Caroline.
And I'm Joe, and we're here in San Diego.
We left New York so inspired to travel, and now we're here to take on a new adventure.
All right, Caroline, ready for your first clue?
Ready, let's do this. What is it? Get ready to make some friends. Okay, let's make some friends.
Okay,
let's
here we go. This is perfect for Caroline. I know she's never done anything like this, and she is going to freak out. And now we're on the platform. So remove your blindfold, because right now we are swimming with otters.
Oh my god! I'm really so excited!
This is awesome! Do you believe that we're doing this? Yay!
I am so excited. I've never been this excited in my entire life to do anything.
Come on, guys, let's get in here.
They're not shy.
The otters that we're going to be swimming with today are Asian small-clawed otters, raised by Wendy, my wife, and she's kind of the otter mama. Everything we do here is pretty much voluntary for the otters, and it's all about making it fun for the otters firstly, and then secondly, fun for the people. Of the 13 species of otters in the world, 12 are endangered or threatened, and it's happening extremely quickly. So if we can endear you guys and the public to otters and make them care, they'll help to save these animals in the wild.
Otters!
This is the best day of my life.
So what did you think of your travel dare?
I have been smiling this whole time. My face hurts. I have not smiled like this in a long time, so I'm so happy we came here. Not only was this so much fun, but we learned so much, and that's why it's so rewarding.
Absolutely.
I had an amazing time.
Right.
Are you ready for your adventure?
I cannot wait. I'm so ready.
Here is your clue.
Ooh, all right, here we go. Prepare for a thrilling ride. Oh man, what does that mean?
It's gonna be fun. How excited are you?
So excited. I can't wait to see what you have in store for me.
This is going to be an experience of a lifetime. 1, 2. Almost there.
I'm hearing noise.
Okay, are you ready? Take your blindfold off.
Ah! Yes! Yes! Can I touch this horse? Oh,
We're going,
beautiful animal.
Joe, we're going horseback riding
this is
on
so
the
great.
beach. All right, let's get saddled up.
Right.
So we have about 40 head of horses here at San Diego Beach Rides. Horses are kind of like, dogs. Either they really like water or they really don't. So we've picked the horses that love the water, and then we will send them out with you on your swim adventure ride. It's a great way to see southern San Diego.
I'm so stoked. I love horseback riding, and I've never done it in the ocean. I didn't even think that was an option. That sounds incredible. I cannot wait to do this.
Riding to the beach. Hey, Joe. I think I can hear the waves. We must be close.
Dude, this view is insane.
This is beautiful. This is so cool.
Here we go. Woo!
It's a very surreal feeling to be on the beach with the horse, just experiencing the waves and the wind and the horses. It's very peaceful.
I think we're gonna go deeper into the water. Woo! Ah! Woo! This was an unforgettable experience. Joe, honestly, this is why traveling is so incredible. Everybody knows San Diego has some of the most beautiful beaches in the world, but we got to experience 2 different sides that not a lot of people know about. Out of 5 stars, how would you rate me?
5 stars. When you took off the blindfold and saw those otters, your response was priceless. Okay, Caroline, more importantly, how would you rate me out of 5?
I'm gonna give you a 3.5.
3 out of 5, are you kidding me?
You just didn't want to go deeper into the water. You know what, Joe? You seem a little hurt from that rating, so drinks on me.
Yes.
You are gonna get a 5 out of 5 on our next activity. I know it, I feel it.
You know what? 3.5 rating. I'm kicking it up a notch for Austin.
All right, cheers to our next adventure.